silver fox kind of. So, when we, older to my friends, when we're doing this, we're going to start with just like good old glide to the side. And when we do it, I kind of go the way my partner goes. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We come back together. Or we can skip. And I can dance from there. Just have fun with it. Simple, simple rhythm. Then we work on around the world and points. We can do it this way. So we do a real chill half swing. Like rock, step, step, toss. Then we do the points. The points. Hey, do it again. Then we worked on an old Frankie classic, the double rock step. First, you did twist.
Yeah.
Can you show us twist?
Yeah, so again, when you practice your twist, think about it starts as steps. Separate steps, and then you're twisting, and you're opening like that you are stepping on. So it's a twist, 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 twist. If you don't want everything to twist,
That's my
you
style.
actually want your face, your upper body forward, and twist your viewpoint.
For the record, it's Halloween.
No, it's just always like this.
Is that clear? It's Halloween. And then we did the double rock step. So we did rock, step, triple step, Peter's rock, step, hitch step, triple step, then you're back in. Same as 3 counts, rock, step, triple step, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, same stuff. See you next week! You shall not pass!